Hey, boys and girls, it's Miss Carol here. Guess where I am? Can you see the waves? Can you see the sand? That's right. I'm at the beach. But I thought, you know what? I'm going to the beach, but that doesn't mean I can't tell a good story. And since I'm at the beach, what better story to tell than a beach story? So I found this book called Beach Day. And it is from Clifford's puppy days. You can see Clifford, the big red dog, isn't very big here. He's a little puppy. So, Beach Day. By Quinlan B. Lee. Illustrated by Steve Hafele. It was a beautiful summer day. "Wake up, Clifford," Emily Elizabeth said. "We're going someplace fun today to meet Nina and Jorge." Someplace fun? Where could it be? The dog park. The deli. The zoo. Clifford could not wait to find out. While Emily Elizabeth and Clifford had breakfast, Mr. and Mrs. Howard packed the picnic basket and a big bag. "We must be going somewhere far away," thought Clifford. But why was everyone dressed so funny? They got their straw hats on and flowery shirts. Soon, they were on their way out of the city. Mrs. Howard said, "Doesn't the sea air smell wonderful?" Emily Elizabeth held on to Clifford while he stuck his nose out of the window. It smelled salty and a little fishy outside. Maybe they were going to the deli. Before long, they had arrived. Clifford couldn't see anything, but he heard a strange new sound. It was a loud whoosh that kept stopping and starting and starting and stopping. What could it be? The wind? A train? Can you hear that whooshing sound here? Kind of stops and starts. The waves are coming in. But Clifford can't see them. All he can do is hear them. "We're here!" Emily Elizabeth cried. We're where?" Clifford wondered. He started running to follow Emily Elizabeth. But something was wrong. He wasn't getting anywhere. The ground was too soft. Emily Elizabeth laughed and scooped him up. "Need a hand?" she said. The Howards set up an umbrella and chairs on the sand. Mr. Howard picked up his book and smiled. "Oh, perfect," he said. Perfect? But Clifford always thought the chair in the living room was the perfect place to read. "Jorge and Nina should be here soon," Emily Elizabeth said. "Let's build a sand castle while we wait. You can help me dig." Digging. Now that was something that Clifford did know about. Suddenly, he felt something pinching his nose. "Little Red, meet Big Red," Norville said. "You never know what you might dig up around here. Maybe buried treasure." Buried treasure? Like bones? Clifford wondered. Clifford loved playing in the sand castle that Emily Elizabeth built. When Jorge came, he ran to show it to him. But when they got to where it was, it had disappeared. Where did it go? Clifford asked. A wave must have washed it away, Jorge replied. Just then, another wave came and tickled Clifford's nose. He looked down, but it was gone. And then a second later, it was back. Don't worry about the waves, Little Red, said Norville. It's just water that likes to play games. It'll chase and tickle you. Some people even say it dances. Dancing water? But there wasn't any music. Clifford was more confused than ever. Come on, let's go swimming, Emily Elizabeth said. She picked up Clifford and took him out into the waves. He had a great time, splashing and swimming with Jorge and the girls. Look at him, he's got a little floaty on. Emily Elizabeth wrapped Clifford in a towel and snuggled him in her lap. Don't you just love the beach, Clifford? She said. So that was it. This was the beach. The waves, the sand, the smell, even the crab. He did love it. But then again, anywhere Emily Elizabeth was, Clifford was sure to love. The end. Do you like to go to the beach? Have you ever been to the beach? I wonder what you'll like best when you go to the beach. Building a sand castle, swimming and playing in the waves, or just sitting listening to the sound of the waves as they come in and go out. I'm so glad I was able to share this story with you. And tell you what, I'll see you soon on Storytime with Miss Carol. Bye.